This window cleaner is sold for almost 3,800 naira where I stay. You can actually make this window cleaner your own self. A window cleaner that shines your glass, cleans your glasses very well without leaving any residue on your glass or any straight line on your glass. I'll be showing you how you can make your own window cleaner. You can package it and sell to companies who has glasses all around their vicinity. You can also make it for your own personal use. Either way, the production is very simple and we are going to use basic elements, just like 2 or 3 components, and we are done. And it is something you can actually find in your surrounding. So stay tuned and keep watching. Welcome back to my channel on Bam Glam DIY. Today I'll be teaching you how you can make your own glass cleaner, otherwise popularly known as WINDOLENE. I believe that market name WINDOLENE have actually taken the name. There are also local products made in Nigeria here, like GBC glass cleaner. So it's in the superstores. You can make it, you can supply it out, you can sell to the nearest supermarket to you. You can sell to your friends and neighbors. You can also make it for your own use. You see that glass in your kitchen, beside where you cook and where you fry. It's time you clean it. After making this production, you are going to clean it today. So basically what you need is some part of water, which I've written the quantity on the screen, and then vinegar. Is actually acetic acid, 5 to 10% acetic acid, and you need 250 ml of it. Now, if you're finding it hard to know what is acetic acid or where you can get it, acetic acid is just vinegar. The white vinegar you use in baking, you use in washing your vegetables, you use in cooking, you use in washing your cabbage, your carrot, your green pepper. That's actually acetic acid, and it contains 5% of it. Other products may contain up to 10% of it. That's okay. If you can also find the main acetic acid, you can make your own dilution and save for yourself. And then you need something to give it a little bit foaming effect. So I'm using liquid SLES at 10 ml. If you want to use the normal gel SLES and you can dissolve it quickly, go ahead. But don't exceed 5 to 10 ml. You don't want it to foam too much. You don't want to give the person that is using it tough time cleaning it out after wiping it off after cleaning his or her glass. And then after adding the foaming agent, if you don't have the SLES, please make do with the liquid soap you have in your house. But now we are trying to do a proper production, so that's why I'm making use of this. Then you're going to go in with your watercolor. I'm using blue magic color here, so because it lasts very well, even when you keep it under the sun, it doesn't fade. So make sure you buy original blue magic color or original blue color. There are different grades of colors out there. There is UV colors, there is normal colors. Just make sure you buy the good ones. Once you are done, mix everything up together, stir it together, and then get a spray bottle. This spray bottle costs less. It just costs the spray bottle plus the pump can be sold as cheap as 150 naira. It can also be sold as cheap as 200 naira. Why? The production itself is not expensive. After making this, your cost of production can just be around 500 naira or 600 naira. I don't know the country where you are. You can actually check out your own cost of production. While WINDOLENE is sold in the superstores for 3,800 naira. Why you can make this yourself? I'm telling you. Those who are not even here with us in Nigeria, who are abroad, make this mixture themselves. They mix a part of vinegar with water, dilute it with water, add up a liquid soap to it, and then clean their windows. And some of them, since they learned this trick, they have been saving money and stopped buying the store-bought type. Save money on my channel. On this channel, I teach you some things, some production hacks, some cleaning hacks that can benefit you and save you a lot of costs. So if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. If you actually was wowed by this production, give me a thumbs up. Please, if you just bumped into this video and you're just seeing it for the first time, your girl wants you to subscribe to her channel. just click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I drop a content. Please, most of my viewers don't subscribe to my channel. They just view and they go away. I'm begging you, please just subscribe to my channel. It will actually impact in my growth, so that other persons who actually need this kind of videos can see it out there. People in different countries can also locate me. Thank you all for being part of my growth. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope after watching this, you'll try it out today. Try it out today. You must not have my own type of spray bottle. You can use any other spray can in your house that you use in spraying your fish out tuna. Just decant it and use it. Go outside, get yourself vinegar, get yourself some coloring, use the foaming agent you have in your house. Make this production, try it out on your kitchen windows, and you can come back to the comment section. Thank you.